This one na for my great investors. Well finished poultry farm for sale. This is the environment. Well built up environment. This one is not in the bush, oh. This one is in a residential area. Oh yeah, check it out. Well built, painted, finished, ready for use. Yes, this is the staff quarters, the office space. Welcome to the office space. Very spacious, where you will entertain your visitors, your customers that came to buy. Now let's check it out. It has a borehole, overhead tank, running water, security lights front and back. This is the inside where the business takes place, where you multiply your profit. Very massive, very spacious. Man, guys, what are you waiting for? Come and invest in farm. Poultry farm. There are these spaces for your snail, rabbit, and other forms of farming. Very massive, already fitted with electric bulbs, wiring done. Just pay and start today. Okay, let's show you the staff quarters. A self-con with toilets and bathroom. Very spacious. Yeah, this is where your staff sleeps. You can see is a walk through. Very massive, protected, painted, beautified, ready for business. This is a great investment opportunity here in the land of Owerri. No dull. Rush now and own this beautiful poultry farm. Located behind St. Francis Catholic Church, Liberty Estate, Obinze, Owerri Imo State. This is Federal Light new transformer. Genuine property straight to the owner. Rush now, rush now, rush now.